Guys, good afternoon or good evening na. Galing kami sa province ng Dumalag. Mag-deliver ng mga blessing para sa mga family and friends and followers. Ito kami ngayon, kumakain. Ayan si Ryan, tsaka si Alex, Red Horse. Yan si anak niya, si Juan Iban. Ayun, no? Guys, enjoy yung tempura, shrimp, dinuguan, sinigang tanigi, at saka atay na manok, butter, ano ni siya, butter lemon, bangus, yung bangus, tsaka Valenciana, ayun, another one, tsaka white rice. Thank you, ara si Nini, si Ivan, si Alex, at si Ryan doon guys, Garillo Paray. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Enjoy our food. Thank you for watching. Enjoy watching. Bye. Thank you.